Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, this is Simran yet again, welcoming you in a live chat session with Madhurima Tulli. Madhurima, who you must have seen in the Big Boss house, is going to be joining us for this live. और आपको पता ही है कि आपको क्या करना है. You have to start sending me your questions for Madhurima and आई विल ट्राई कि मैं जितने ज़्यादा उनसे आंसर करवा पाऊँ. मैं आपके स्टोरीज पे से ऑफकोर्स क्वेश्चंस लूँगी जो आपने स्टोरी पे भेजा है, बट आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू गाइस कि आप अपने क्वेश्चंस कमेंट्स में भी लिखें. यस. हाय, हाउ आर
How are
यू?
you?
आई
I'm
एम
good. How are you?
गुड. आई एम ऑल्सो गुड and alive and safe, which is primarily
Nice.
the most important thing,
That's the most
which
important thing right
everybody,
now.
right. But how
Yes,
is
true.
it? How is quarantine treating you? I see a new hairstyle also.
Yes, this is how it's
Tell me
treating me
about it.
actually. Yeah, the quarantine. The first different thing what I did was my haircut. My mother cut my hair for me. Yeah. So that was like I was like, I was too, I wanted to cut my hair since a long time. तो मैंने कहा
Right.
ये अच्छा चांस है because the lockdown period है. I don't really have to do anything much. So I thought let me just chop my hair. And chopping के बाद suddenly I'm getting a call for a look test. मैंने बोला अरे यार तुम लोग तो बड़ा गलत कर दिया है मैंने. But it's okay. They were okay with it with the short hair also.
But this sort of like like going short in the like with your hair. Does it
Yeah.
also like give you a sort of like different motivation during the lockdown, like internally, like एक different look से कभी कभी
Yeah.
बोलते हैं कि एक अलग vibe आ जाती है.
Definitely, I think I'm feeling more happy and more chirpy and everything because I'm long hair. I had done it for a long time. और मुझे शॉर्ट हेयर काफी मेरे दोस्तों ने बोला है कि शॉर्ट हेयर suits you more, so just go short again, go short. So I thought I
Right.
think it will give me a different feel and it caught eyes, a lot of eyes, attention. So I'm happy with it, yeah. And
And
there are a lot of people who are going short now, so it's
हाँ,
good.
because घर पे
Yeah,
and literally like there's nothing else. Either you can do bangs for girls या फिर you can go short.
yeah,
There's nothing like you can
yes,
do a fancy hairstyle at home.
yes,
But
exactly.
keeping that aside, something else that you've been doing is working out quite a lot. We see so many of your pictures. Tell me, how is
Yeah.
the quarantine sort of workout like?
The quarantine workout, I usually don't go to gym. I
हाँ.
very rarely. So I work out at home only. So it's good for me. I'm here working out, chilling. Like I'm dancing when I feel like dancing. I'm dancing and working out. When I feel like doing yoga, I'm doing yoga. So अपनी मर्जी के मालिक हैं फिलहाल. चल रहा है जैसे चल रहा है. जो खा रहे हैं ठीक है. Put on हो रहा है. अगर नहीं भी हो रहा है तो ठीक है चलेगा. It's a nice, I think it's a good time to be with yourself and explore yourself, I feel. Yeah.
Right. What sort of movies and shows are you watching? Like, do you have some recommendations for fans also?
I think I'm sure everybody must have watched everything because there's nothing else to do. Might as well watch the shows. But I watched Money Heist. It's a huge show. It's a big hit show and it's wonderful.
Right.
And then I saw The Walking Dead. I saw all the 13 seasons like back to back. I loved it. Though it's a little violence, there's a lot of violence and everything, but still, I wanted to get over it because I was always very scared of violence stuff. So I got over it and I finally watched it. Then I
Right.
watched Fauna, Bodyguard. I think these all series are
Quite
fantastic.
a
Yeah,
lot of
must
things.
watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love Madhurima is asking you your favorite dream destination.
Oh wow! Okay, my favorite dream destination would be there are a lot of them actually. Maldives. I love Maldives. I've never been there. I've just seen the pictures. Whenever I plan to go, it just never happens. So Maldives. Yeah.
Arena is asking you your favorite songs.
My favorite songs. Again, there are many songs like Taylor Swift's "Love Story," then Backstreet Boys, all the songs. Then हमारे हिंदी में I think Sonu Nigam's all songs are my favorite. Neha Kakkar song. So all these songs, I mean, and especially I loved Sonu Nigam song because उसमें मैं childhood में grow हुई हूँ. Like
Right.
दीवाना मैं हूँ दिल. Yeah, it's beautiful. I think it's very soulful, also very soothing. So I love those songs. Yes.
There is Vanu asking you what makes Madhurima happy when she is sad. Like, how do you come out of it? I think.
Uh, when I'm sad, I think when I'm sad, what makes me happy is dance. I think dancing really makes me happy, and
Right.
being with family that makes me happy. So these things, yeah, definitely.
There is a question from Nevia Chaudhary. She's asking you your favorite cartoon.
My favorite cartoon would be Popeye the Sailor Man, Mowgli, और और क्या Mario Brothers. अच्छा वो तो वीडियो गेम में था या I think
हाँ,
the Mowgli was the best, I would say, and
right.
Popeye the Sailor Man, and definitely Mickey Mouse. How can I forget Mickey Mouse? Oh God, yes. Tom and
But
Jerry.
बहुत सारे like throwback चीजें रीरन हो रही है टीवी पे. If you
Yeah.
were to, like, do you watch Ramayan and all of that जो रीरन हो रहा है?
I did watch it. मैंने पहले भी देखा था. मम्मी ने make sure किया था कि बचपन में हम लोग रामायण वगैरह देखें. And again, I watched it now with my family because they were very much inclined to it. So I
Right.
watched it and I literally had tears in my eyes. It's beautiful. The way they've showed the characters and the storyline, it's amazing.
But one show जो पता है like as a child or या फिर ऐसे generally as a audience जो आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा like you used to binge watch when it used to come. Binge watch तो क्या टीवी पे you can just watch once, but
Yeah, like
like
बचपन में you're
something that
saying?
was बचपन में या फिर even like recently like in your teenage type years
Yes, I think I've
and you
watched.
want कि वो rerun आ जाए.
I think Mowgli is the best show ever. I feel that उसमें सारी बचपन की यादें and it's so refreshing, so lovely show. It's a lovely show. So I think Mowgli is something
Right.
which I can watch anytime.
Right.
और
Okay.
इनफैक्ट जब उसकी जो फिल्म भी आई थी उसमें उन लोगों ने जंगल
हाँ.
जंगल बात नहीं डाला था. I was so upset. I think that's the best part about it. Yeah. So
Right. It's a
definitely,
theme
yeah.
song. Uh,
Yeah. I mean, how everybody in India knows that song.
True.
So it's a theme song, yes.
There is Tina.Madhu writing, first dance performance was on which song? Like the first time you ever danced in school or something. Do you remember what song was
Yes,
it?
I do remember. I think the first performance, Tina Madhu. Hey, I didn't even say hi to these guys. Hello, guys. Tina, my first performance was, I think, I danced on this song, Boomro, Sham Rang Boom, that song from this film, Mission Kashmir. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
So that was my first song. Yeah.
Okay. There is a question from Sarkar Smile Nivya Chaudhary. Bunch of people are asking, आपने कल का TikTok video क्यों delete किया?
हाँ,
Did
मुझे
you
पता था ये
delete?
क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. आई थिंक मुझे उसमें अपना डांस बहुत ही फनी लगा था. आई एम सॉरी गाइस, आई डिलीटेड दैट, बट आई एम गोना अपलोड अ बेटर डांस वीडियो फॉर श्योर सून. आई एम सॉरी. आई मीन
Right.
मुझे पता है बहुत लोग. आई वाज आल्सो फीलिंग कि मैंने क्यों डिलीट किया, बट देन आई फेल्ट कि नहीं यार, आई थिंक आई एम गोना डू अ बेटर वन एंड आई विल अपलोड सून. पक्का.
Probably the time that you chose to delete the video is not a very good time because I'm not sure that you know or you don't know that there's a entire tiff going on between YouTube versus TikTok
Yes,
and
yes.
उसकी वजह से so
That is
probably
also,
लोगों को लगा होगा
yeah.
that आपने you have deleted
मुझे
TikTok.
मुझे ये भी थॉट आया था मुझे कि मैं टिकटॉक इज अ चाइना ऐप. एंड आई
हाँ
थॉट क्यों प्रमोट कर रही हूँ मैं फालतू में. इट्स जस्ट यूजलेस, नो पॉइंट. माइट एज वेल विदाउट टिकटॉक आई कैन जस्ट प्ले अ सॉन्ग एंड डांस एंड अपलोड इट. So
हाँ.
that is one of the reasons, but main reason was I can do better, guys. तो इसीलिए मैंने डिलीट किया है.
But now what is the status? Are you planning to remove TikTok from your phone?
TikTok is fun, यार. मतलब वो जब आप बोर हो रहे हैं, you can just it's fun to shoot, just to be there, just to be you yourself. मैं TikTok delete तो नहीं करूंगी. I will be. जब तक ban नहीं हो जाता, I'm gonna be there in TikTok. Yeah.
But you know, because बहुत सारे like I think from the past 2-3 days बहुत ज्यादा trend हो रहा है कि ban TikTok और Twitter पे it's all over. The ratings have gone down from like 4.2 and all to 2.0 or something. But
Yeah, yeah.
जैसे अभी आपने because you mentioned you know कि you do it for like fun कि चलो भाई
Yeah.
like time pass के लिए करते हैं.
हाँ,
But
हाँ,
because it has become so commercial, like people are taking TikTok numbers so seriously कि भाई मेरे इतने
हाँ.
followers है तो I've become a artist, I've become a creator.
I lost you. हाँ, yeah.
हाँ, I think
Network
am
issue.
I there?
Yeah, you're there. You're there. I can see you. I can hear
Yes.
you. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So my question was that only that do you think कि TikTok को like as a platform, you know, like how we take Instagram, we take it just by, you know, like pictures post करते हैं and then we move on. TikTok
Hmm.
और TikTok को like लोगों ने बहुत ज्यादा seriously ले लिया in terms of the commercial aspect of it.
Yes, लोगों ने ले तो लिया है, but it's just not TikTok. I think, I mean, you need to get actual work also. TikTok तो ठीक है, fun के लिए है, I feel. But yes,
Right.
there is a lot of popularity also. There are followers, but main जो काम होता है, that is who you get from your work, what you do. Not just
Right.
making videos, fun videos, and all that. It's something which you do actually. What you are acting as, what you're performing, the performance, what you do for films or any show, web show or TV show, or for your own like ads. Ho gaya. That is the most important thing. TikTok is just for fun,
Right.
I would say. I mean, that's not something you should take it seriously.
Right. There is Pihu asking you one thing you would want to change about yourself.
The one thing I would like to change about myself is sometimes I just get so confused that I just don't know what to choose, what to do, what not to do, and I land up doing something very stupid. So I think I want to change my that bit. I want to be very clear in my head that okay, this is it, this is what it is. So yeah.
There is your fan page who's joined us, Madhurima underscore my world. She told
Yeah,
me to
yeah.
take her name.
Hi,
Uh,
Madhurima, my world.
there is Virima lovers. All your fan
I think
pages have joined in.
hi guys, hello, I love you all. Thank you for joining in.
Robert Lee is writing happy birthday.
It's not my birthday.
Right.
My birthday has been
Namrata
posted
is
wrong on Wikipedia, and I've been trying to change so many times, but it's not changing. My birthday is on 19th August.
right. There is
Yeah. So
Namrata
please wish
writing
me well.
singing or dancing. Namrata is asking you
What?
singing or dancing.
Am I singing?
नहीं नहीं Namrata is asking you singing or dancing, this or that.
See, Namrata, I always wanted to be a singer, but unfortunately, I'm a very bad singer. So I prefer dancing. I love dancing. क्योंकि मैं गाना गाती हूँ तो लोग भाग जाते हैं बोलते हैं, क्यों क्यों गा रही है रहने दे. So it's I prefer I would love to be I love to sing, but I
Right.
am a better dancer, so might as well dance.
Pahadi girl is asking you who is the first friend of Madhudi when she came new to Bombay.
Pahadi, wow, Pahadi. My mom is Pahadi. So my first friend when I came to Bombay, she was my when I did my acting course. I met her there, and she's assisting someone as a director. Her name is Khushbu. So yeah, she was my first friend.
Right. There is a Stars Tele Club writing in Chandrakanta. She was looking so beautiful. Who is your inspiration?
Thank you so much. What's his name? I forgot her name.
Stars Tele Club. I think it's a fan
Star
club
Television.
of like
Okay.
actors. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Star Telecup. Thank you so much. Honestly, I sleep a lot. I eat healthy, and I take care of my skin. And I prefer to be. I try and be happy most of the time. So that's what keeps me happy. And yeah, whatever. if you say so, if I look beautiful. Thank you.
Right. There is Sinha Swati who's written, while being an athlete, what is your specialty, batting or bowling?
Bowling, actually, I was more better in bowling. Batting, I was actually all rounder. I was good in batting also and bowling also, but bowling was better for me.
Right. There is another question that she's asking, who is your secret keeper friend?
Secret keeper friend. I think the girl I told you about, my friend, who the first girl in Mumbai who became my friend, she is my secret keeper.
Right. The first ones are always like they tend to be, थोड़ा ऐसे कि सारी बातें अपने तक रखते हैं.
Kya? Sorry?
Usually the first friends that you have tend to keep a
Yeah.
lot of your secrets.
Secrets, yes. And they tend to be for long. I mean, they're forever friends, most of the times.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. There is Anushri asking you, who is your favorite co-star?
My favorite co-star. Oh, wow, that's a good question. I have so many brilliant actor stars with me that it's a very difficult
Tough.
question. But I would say Akshay Kumar. Definitely, Akshay Kumar is my favorite co-star.
Right. There is PR writing Big Boss feels right now. Do you get Big Boss
Big
feels
Boss
in this?
feelings right now, yes. It's completely Big Boss feelings. You have to do your own task, घर का काम और पड़े रहो एक ही जगह पे. There's nothing else to do. अपना सर खाओ. अगर परेशान हो रहे हो तो भाई बहनों से लड़ो. बस यही है. बस this is what Big Boss feels it is, right.
But are people pestering you here also to wash the dishes?
No, not really. I mean, my mom is like, बेटा कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, जब मन करेगा तो कर लेना. So she's not
Right.
really forcing me or anything. Thank God. That's the best part. That thank God I'm at home with my loved ones.
Right. And do you get luxury budget from time to time?
Right now, there is no luxury budget as such. जो पैसा भैया ले लो, अभी खाना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Because बाहर भी
True.
खाना नहीं मिल रहा है as such. So yeah, I mean we just like together we are trying to do everything we can.
Right. Okay, there is another question from कहाँ गया? There was a good question. There is Alicia Shah asking, why did you choose Miss Uttaranchal contest over cricket?
Oh wow. Okay. Why did I choose Miss Uttaranchal over cricket? Because since childhood, I always wanted to be an actor, a model. So athlete was happening. I mean, God was being kind. I mean, I was having a good career in my athletics also. But I had this feeling that I wanted to be a model, an actor. So when I got the opportunity, again I had two opportunities. So when I was confused, what do I do? What do I not do? This is the first time I think I chose the right one. So I chose. That is why I chose Miss Uttaranchal, because I wanted to pursue my dreams. That's what my dreams were. So that is why I chose Miss Uttaranchal over cricket.
Right. There is I am Lalit Damle asking, आपने इस साल क्यों बिग बॉस में जाने का डिसाइड किया और वो भी एज अ वाइल्ड कार्ड? People seem to be, at least your fans seem to be थोड़ा सा disappointed कि why did you choose to go as a wild card? Because
Yeah.
you could have gone in the game since day one and had a
Day
journey
one.
of your own, right?
Yeah, that's true. Honestly, अगर मैं इस साल नहीं गई होती तो शायद मैं कभी नहीं गई होती. Because this year was something interesting, I would say, and I had already done Nach Baliye and there was a hype and the show was extended. So इसीलिए मुझे लगा कि I think it will be a right decision to go. But yes, I feel, but after going inside, I also feel that I wish I would have joined from the beginning. Yes, definitely, yes. So sorry,
So,
guys, but hopefully something else.
but do you somewhere somewhat have a sort of regret कि शायद वेट ही कर लेती तो मैं अगले सीजन ही चली जाती?
No, I don't regret anymore. That's okay.
अच्छा,
I went.
इनिशियली थोड़ा
हाँ, मतलब वही लग, जब मैं बाहर निकल गई तब मुझे लगा कि यार स्टार्टिंग से ही चले जाना चाहिए था, बट इफ आई कीप होल्डिंग दैट regret, I'll be very sad
Right.
about. So might as well forget it and be
True.
happy. Yeah.
True. And on that note, only Aksh Goswami has asked you the exact question. How do you forget your past mistakes?
The past mistake, I try to think that okay, it was a mistake, it will never happen again. And if I don't move
Right.
on from it, I'll always be sad. Like I said before, I'll always have this thing in my heart that I'll never be happy. So that is how I try moving on from my mistakes.
Right. There is a question from Aksh only, and he's also asking you that how do you deal with haters?
That's a very good question. I deal with haters. I avoid, I mean, if they're trying to pull me down, I don't really get affected. I try to avoid it. I focus on myself. Like, what do I want from life, and how do I get better as a person,
Right.
as a human being, and as a workaholic. I mean, if you work, whatever you do your best. So it
Right.
should not bother. It should not bother you if anybody is pulling you down. Yeah.
Right. Another thing that's happened in the lockdown is a lot of things have come to a standstill, and because of which a lot of projects have been stalled. Did you
Yeah.
have any such project जो आने वाला था probably और नहीं हो पाया because the lockdown happened?
Yes, there is a project जो अभी इसी बीच आने वाला था, but it got postponed because of lockdown. But it's coming soon. That's my web show which I did, and but otherwise, yeah, मतलब काफी काम है जो stall मतलब रुक गए हैं और
Right.
postpone हो गए हैं, तो वो काफी नुकसान तो हुआ ही है for everyone. But what do we do? I mean, I think ये जो दहशत है ये भगवान की दी हुई है to realize that you need to be happy yourself. ना काम करते
Right.
करते भागते भागते you cannot be happy.
Right. There is Priya Gavande asking, which was your first commercial ad? Any memories of that?
Yes, my first commercial ad was Fiamma Devils, and that was a shampoo ad, and I loved it. I enjoyed every bit of it. That was like wow. I had a great time shooting for it.
But were you one of those जो मतलब like एक होता है कि कैमरा देखते ही instantly you become very like friendly with the camera, या फिर you were the one जो nervous हो जाते हैं, like you know your job but still first time पे you tend to get nervous?
I was definitely nervous, but luckily I didn't have many dialogues at that time. So I was not, I
हाँ.
was like, हाँ, I just have to flip my hair and do all that. So वो तो हर लड़की कर सकती है. जब मैं शो करना शुरू किया तब मेरे जब dialogues आए, that time I was actually nervous. Like, oh my God, I have to say so many lines with acting, with
Right.
emotions, and in front of so many people around. That was something which is very difficult. How to overcome that? I mean, I think you have to keep doing acting again and again for your shows, and I think that's how you overcome.
Right. Okay. The last
Yeah.
question that we'll take is from Know Yourself Better. She's asking, why
Yeah.
didn't you play any match in BCL while you're such a good athlete?
I did play actually, but there were better players because I'm not. I didn't practice that much, and I was doing Chandrakanta at that time. I didn't have the time to practice.
Right.
In my team there were better players who could play. So that is why I didn't. I think if I go, what if
Right.
if I fall? I mean I don't do it. I
हाँ.
perform well. So that is
Right.
why I thought it's better to. But मैंने एक बार किया था. I did. Try to bat once and I did मैंने चौका तो मारा था एक, उसके बाद मैं out हो गई, but it was I did it for the team, so that team wins. Team is more important, team effort is more important than your own individuality when it comes to cricket and all that.
Right. Before we wrap this up, I would request you also to sort of take a few names from the comment section, because
Yeah.
I think they'll be very overwhelmed if you only take the names.
Yes. Hi Sabina. Hi Pooja. What's my favorite color? My favorite color is blue. I love blue. Hey Virima. Hey okay, Sabina again. Nawaz. Hi Nawaz. Hi
Virima
Jackish.
Madness is also there.
Hi Virima Madness. There are so many Virima fan page. I love it. Thank you so much, guys, for so much love. It really means a lot. I keep seeing your VMs and it's wonderful.
They also
I
keep
love you all.
messaging us,
Yeah.
ask Madhurima ki can we expect her to do a new project with Vishal?
How sweet. But if something better comes, definitely we'll give it a shot. Let's see. Fingers crossed, hopefully. Hi, Anushri. I just answered that question. And hi, Sankt Kumar. Hi, Reenu Sarawat. Hi, Mr. Harsh. Hi, Pankaj. Hey, love Madhurima. Thank you.
Thank you
Hi,
so much,
Krish.
Madhurima, for talking to
Thank you.
us, joining us for this chat. I'm sure you and
Thank you.
all your fans are super excited about this. And thank you so much for talking. Take care of
Thank
yourself.
you.
Take
I
care
had a
of the
great
family.
time. You too. You too.
Thank
Take care.
you.
See you. See
Yes.
you.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Take care.
Take care. Bye, guys.
So, guys, that was Madhurima with us. It was such a refreshing and fun chat that we had with her. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. In case you've missed out on any part of the live, now you know it's going to be saved up as a IGTV and not as a story. So you have all the time in the world to go watch it, but watch it as soon as you can. And yes, that's about it. That's all that I have for y'all from this live. 9 ko I'm going to be back again. Today I'm on a roll. So like 9 ko I'm going to be back again. That time I'm going to be joined by Shifa Menon. And yes, keep your questions ready for Shifa. I hope you enjoyed this chat. Thank you so much for joining in. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.